Hari Om, this is Yamuna Devi, and today I wanted to share something very special from a book called 4 Chapters on Freedom, and it's by Paramahamsa Satyananda Saraswati. He is or was the guru of my guru, and I want to share this with you because it's absolutely beautiful, Before practicing any meditation, the mind has to be calm. The mind has to be peaceful. We have to increase our concentration, our willpower, our inner strength. And let me just read this to you, and then I hope you contemplate and reflect on it. It says Dharana means concentration of mind. It is a step before meditation and is concerned with fixing awareness on one object to the exclusion of all others. If the state of pratyahara means like looking within, right? Moving away from all external distractions has been achieved, then all outer disturbances should have been eliminated. Yet the mind is still full of inner chatter. Pay close attention. In the form of memories of the past and projections of the future. So we are still thinking of past memories, and the mind still is trying to think about the future. The mind thinks of and tries to relive past pleasant experiences, is obsessed by unpleasant experiences, or is planning or fearing the future. So because the future is uncertain, because we don't know what the future beholds, the mind continues circling thoughts like what will be, what I want to do, what will I plan, and it becomes endless. It's continues, and past, we are just dwelling on the same thing over again. We are so focused in the past, right? From past hurt or reliving past wonderful memories and fearing about the future that we are never present. And when we're actually present, living the present moment, we enjoy life more. This is a reality. So we have to learn how to train the mind to live in the present moment. This is key. So let us forget, let us let go of the past. Let us not think too much about the future because it's always changing. Always constant, moment to moment. The future is changing. And it all depends on our own actions. Any action we perform, any positive action, or even the choices we make affects the future. So let us not think, let us live this moment, let us be present, let us enjoy our life, let us enjoy each breath, each moment. This present is the greatest gift, and that in turn, when we live in the present moment, my friends, you will be enjoying and experiencing the state of meditation, the state of complete awareness, and you will enjoy your life much more. Thank you for watching, and I hope this can help you in some way or another. Hari Om.